Hi, I am Tom Ryan from Ryan LLP. If you or a loved one has been injured in a car accident in Ohio, you may be wondering, how much can I expect my injury claim to be worth? There are several key factors that influence how much your auto accident settlement amount could be. First, calculate your economic damages, the concrete financial losses due to the accident. This includes medical bills, both current and ongoing future costs expected for treatment related to the accident. Tally up what you've paid out of pocket so far, as well as expenses covered by health insurance. If your injuries from the accident forced you to take time off work, you can claim the lost pay as part of the damages. Document the specific amount of income you lost by being unable to work. If you expect your injuries to impact your ability to work long-term, a vocational expert can calculate your future lost earnings. Next, factor in non-economic damages for pain and suffering. This aspect compensates you for the physical and emotional struggles you now face in your daily life after the accident. Things like physical pain, mental anguish, grief, reduced mobility, scarring or disfigurement, anxiety, PTSD, lowered quality of life, and loss of enjoyment of activities make up these damages. An experienced attorney can carefully analyze policies and advise you on options. By taking these factors into account, an Ohio auto accident lawyer can properly value your claim and fight for the maximum settlement amount you deserve. Don't leave money on the table. Get an in-depth claim analysis from our experienced team today. At Ryan LLP, we blend our extensive experience with empathy and determination to support you in your quest for justice. You don't have to navigate this difficult journey alone. We are here for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Help is just a phone call away. Please feel free to contact us anytime for a free consultation. We are here to assist you.